Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about 2+. The topic that is about the derivative of inverse function. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we need to find the value of inverse function of number 13. So in this one we have this function, and if we put about s equals to number 3, we will have f of number 3 equals to 13. So that means this one. So if we put number 13, so b in here, that's about number 3. So now we need to find first the derivative f of s. So that should be like this. Now we can put number 3 cone here. And this one we have number 16. So we put number 16 gone here, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.